Back to my channel. So today I just wanted to share the growth of my hair. Definitely growing, definitely still bald head, but definitely growing, okay? Because if y'all saw my last video, I had cut it really short about 3 months ago, 4 months ago. So it's definitely growing back. I'm happy about that. I'm still trying to find different products to use, different things that's going to make it grow even longer. So I had kind of like blow dried it for the first time after I cut it, because I'm about to try these Boho Knotless Braids. Yeah. So but yeah, definitely look at the growth. See the growth. This is how I check my growth. I just do the little this right here. And period, girl. Period. Look at growth. Okay, so, but yes, I'll be doing the Boho Knotless Braids for the first time. Well, trying it out for the first time, adding more hair. Like, I want it to be full. First of all, very conceit, I want it to be full. So yes, y'all, be back. Okay, y'all, so here go my braid pattern that I did. I usually like to part my hair before I start braiding, especially when I'm doing my hair myself. And these are the products that I'm using. I used to love this one, but I use that just to part. And then this right here I love is like a Neatbraid. I'll put everything inside the description so that you guys can see it. And this right here, I tried it as okay. I don't really care for it that much. And this is the hair that I'm using. I tried the synthetic. Next time I would try the human, but I just felt like this was going to be the cheaper option, and I didn't want to keep it in for that long. So yes, and I have 2 racks where I put the curly hair and the regular braiding hair. So I already braided half my head. Because that would have been too much to keep on camera. So basically, I'm just going to show you guys how I do each braid. So here go up close. So I part it into 3, I guess, sections before braiding. And then I braid down 2 times, and then I add the braiding hair. So I put the braiding hair in, and then that's when I'm going to do this process for about like 2-3 times with the braiding hair before I add the curly hair. And I'm about to add the curly hair, and what I do is I make one side longer than the other and then braid down, and then that's when I pull out the longest piece and I put it up the top. Or if you have a clip, you can clip it to your braid. I didn't have a clip, so I just did that. It was the easiest method for me. And I'm going to braid down about like 4 or 5 times, and then that's when I'm just going to add another piece of the curly hair. And I'm going to do this process all the way until I get to the end of my braid. And when I get to the end of my braid, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that the curly piece is the same size on each side. And then that's when I'm just going to continue to braid all the way down and leave a little bit of the curly piece out on the end. You'll see once I show it to you inside the camera. as you can see. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a piece of that, and then that's when I'm going to wrap that around the braid so that it can just stay in place, wrap it around. And then also sometimes I tied a knot, and then that's when I put the crazy glue onto it so that it can just stay and that the curly pieces would not fall out. And then that's when I cut off the excess of the braiding hair so that the curly hair could just be the only thing left. And here is the result of me braiding. So I am about to attempt to do my edges. So I'm putting it up in a ponytail. And it came out really cute. So I really do like it. And here I am attempting to do my edges. I'm using that same thing that I use for braiding my hair on my edges. And I'm not a perfectionist with the edges or not really know how to do them that well, so I'm just going to do a little swoop. If you guys know how to do your edges better than that, do what you have to do. And alrighty, here goes the result. Okay, I thought I was super cute. And the braids were super cute. We'll see how they last in about 2-3 weeks. And yes, here they go. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, y'all.